2017 Subaru Impreza. The 2017 Subaru Impreza may not be the most exciting vehicle in its class, but the humble Japanese compact car does have a lot going for it. In fact, thanks to updates to interior fit and finish and equipment levels across the range, the new Impreza is actually one we were rather impressed with upon first laying eyes on it at the 2016 New York Auto Show. Better still, Subaru USA will be selling most versions of the new car for only a slight premium over the previous general, and we do genuinely mean an ever so slight increase. For instance, at $18,395, the entry-level 2017 Impreza sedan is only $100 more expensive like-for-like than the comparable 2016 model, with an identical bump up for the $21,195 premium conversion that we have a hunch will be one of the more popular specifications. Plus, as with the current Impreza, the 2017 can be had as a 5-door wagon for a $500 premium. We feel it is an upgrade worth considering, given the benefits the wagon body style has over the sedan, namely improved access to the trunk. Also, the 5-door looks more cohesive aesthetically than the 4-door sedan, at least to us. The only pricing anomaly is the flagship limited trim, at $24,095 on the 2017 sedan. It's $1,500 more expensive than the 2016 model.